model, 2014 Nissan Navara diesel double cab pickup Tekna 2.5dCi 194-wheel drive open mouth smile. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 110,034. MOT, 4 August 2024. Engine, 2488 cc YD25 KAI3, E5B4X4. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs slightly underpowered, turbo will need replacing. Quick fix for the right person. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, air con, electric windows, reversing camera. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,595. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199973.